Hey guys, Stephen Pender with Eavestrough, and in this video I'm just going to kind of go over how easy it is to maintain these gutter guards if you ever have to. Most of my clients never have to maintain their guards. I give them this pole and brush. This does come with the install, but if you ever needed to brush your gutter guards, let me show you how easy it is to do that. And here we are at a perfect home to kind of give a demonstration, because this home's going to have a 1-story, a 2-story, and a 3-story section. So that'll give you guys an idea of how easy this can be, no matter how tall your home may be. All right, you guys, starting off at the story number 1, really easy. Won't even have to extend the pole, but we'll just do it a little bit. Really easy, you guys. You just rest the brush right on the guard and walk it along. Bam. And any debris that was up there, you can be sure is not there anymore. All right, moving on to a 2-story section of the home, real easy. Yeah, extend your pole out like so, real easy. This pole weighs about 1 pound, so all of this is minimal effort. All right, simple as that. And here we go. So as you guys can see, if I wanted to, I can keep going, but just for visual purposes, we'll just stop right there. There you go. Your gutter cleaning is done for the day. And even if you've got a 2-story home with an exposed basement or a 3-story home, don't let that scare you away. Still really easy. Got the pole fully extended now? Oh yeah, she'll get you up there, no problem. Let's say you had a bunch of debris up there, you wanted to brush it off. That easy. So there you go. And you're done. So the most important thing to know here is that no matter what, once you've got this gutter guard on your home, if you ever need to maintain it, you, the homeowner, can maintain it from the ground by yourself with a pole and brush that weighs about 1 pound, will telescope all the way up to 30 feet. This creates a real solution to clogged gutters. So again, this is Stephen Pender with Eavestrough. Thank you for watching.